Welcome. This video will be a tutorial on Smart Drawer tool on your Nothing Phone 3 Lite smartphone. A Smart Drawer tool is the special app organizer available in your app drawer that you can swipe from the bottom of your screen. If you want to enable this feature, which is still in beta, you have to tap the three-dot icon next to your search bar and then select Smart option, and this will organize your apps by categories. You can also enable and disable app suggestions here. Now let's look what our app drawer looks like right now. And as you can see, every app is categorized. We have utilities, multimedia tools, productivity, social tools, entertainment and lifestyle, and all the other categories that the AI detected on your smartphone. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.